Hi there, quick video on Canvas and OLI. Our website is smccd.instructure, that's instructure.com. So once you get into the splash page or the login page, it's going to ask you to enter your username without the SMCCD, and in the password, that information would have been sent to you. If you don't have that information, click on Forgot Your Password, and then it's going to ask you to type in your username or your email, and then ask you for this symbol, and then request your password. So, I have my password, and I'm just going to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll get one or more of these boxes. The box that you're looking for is the Math 190. So you'll click on that and you'll enter the course. Once you're in the course, you'll see this as your home page, and in the future this might fill in with other pieces of information, but for now the only thing on here is OLI. So let's click on OLI. It's going to ask to open a new window, so let's do that. Here we have the information that we need to put in. You should put in your first name and your last name and your email address that corresponds to your Canvas account. And once you log in, you'll get some information that you're going to agree to. I agree, submit, and then you're in the course. So when you're in the course, you have a choice of getting your syllabus, and the syllabus basically gives you the layout of the whole course. Resume where you last left off, and then this puts you in order. A system check just checks your system to make sure that you have all the information, and the scores will be the scores for the checkpoints and other things that won't really be that important here, because I'm going to get the scores and transfer it over to Canvas anyways. So in the beginning, let's just do the course syllabus, and here we have the units laid out for us. So remember, Unit 1 was something that we read on the first day, and you can read through that again if you want. Unit 2 we're actually going to skip, and so we're going to start with Unit 3. Your first reading assignment is Module 7, so you want to click on Module 7. And Module 7 is broken down to 3 sections: the overview, some dot plots information, and some histograms. And so you have pages 27 through 35 to complete. And what would be good is that if you just read through the introduction and the data, the dot plots, the histograms, and then the wrap-up. And then when you get to the wrap-up, that would be a good place to take your notes. So it would be good if you just read through this whole thing once, and then if you look at the wrap-up, it has all the information from all the other pages. Okay, so your reading log should have some notes. I'll talk more about reading logs after you submit the first one, but for now, just read through this and take some notes. Your notes should kind of look like this wrap-up section where they summarize all the stuff that you've talked about in the text. After that, there are checkpoints. These are the graded checkpoints in OLI. And so if you want to take a look at that, go ahead. You have up to 2 attempts at it. So I'm going to talk more about this in class, so maybe you can just hold off on this. But if you want to take a peek, you can certainly take a look and see how it looks like. Alright? So that's just a quick jump start on working with OLI, and I hope that you would be able to log in soon. Talk to you later.